Coronavirus. Over the weekend, cases in the U.S. passed 500, with 22 people dying from the virus. So far, people in 30 states have been infected, but Ohio is still in the clear. And this morning, the global impact is once again being felt on the stock market.
Yeah, sure is. Meg Shaw in studio with us this morning, keeping an eye on this. Meg, stock futures not looking good, pointing to a big loss on Wall Street.
Yeah, it's going to be a rough one today. Stock futures plunged overnight as investors are continuing to brace for the economic fallout from the virus. Dow futures fell more than 1,200 points, with the Nasdaq heading south just as hard, implying an opening loss this morning of about 1,300 points. Now, to add insult to injury, oil prices dropped 34%, which is a 4-year low. And it's already showing right here in Northeast Ohio. We found gas prices around town early this morning under $2. Prices were ranging from $1.89 to $1.99. And this is all because Saudi Arabia increased its production of oil and flooded the market with cheap oil prices, while other countries are slowing down their production because of less demand caused by the coronavirus. So a silver lining here this morning is fill up your tanks today. Meanwhile, in California, people who are on board the Grand Princess cruise ship are docking in Oakland today. 21 people on that ship have tested positive for the coronavirus so far. They'll head to treatment today, while everyone else will have to go to a federal facility for testing and quarantine. More than 3,500 people from 54 countries are on that ship. Homa.
Thank you, Meg. And with cruises coming under the microscope, the State Department and the CDC are now advising people to avoid taking one. The CDC doesn't usually issue travel advisories, but they say the coronavirus is creating such an unusual circumstance that it would just be best. They especially advise older adults and people with underlying conditions to skip taking a cruise. Could be a major blow to the $45 billion a year industry.